All right, prime time. Here's the video to find the winner of our 1941 Play Ball Mystery Card Box. We will check the time June 29th at 7:31 p.m. We're going to go over to the break and type live. Actually, we'll call it a raffle since we're going to find a winner here. June 29th at 7:31 p.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 11. All right, 11 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. Come on. 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Russell Moore. Spot 1 is our winner. So Russell, whatever is in that card that we opened tonight, or that box, is yours. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, June 29th, 7:32 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.